If you don't know me, hi, I'm Sky, and this is my Porsche Cayman S. Obviously, it's a little modified. And we're gonna continue doing that because today I'm installing a carbon fiber armrest, as you can see from the title. So thank you, Rennline, first off. Buy their stuff, it's really good quality. Buy my stuff, also really good quality. Let me show you what we're installing. This is the Rennline carbon fiber armrest for the 987.1 Porsche Cayman S. It is very amazing, very sleek and stunning. I'm really terrified to drop this, so let's install it before I break it. If you can hear birds chirping, it's because I'm recording this outside, but here's my OEM one I had. At least this is the one that came with the car when I bought it. I figured it'd be easier for me to install this in my passenger seat for some reason, and also it has better lighting. So I need to figure out what size screwdriver I need, and from there we'll just figure it out. We're about to around and find out. Pay no attention to if this is dirty or not. At the end of the day, I am just a girl, so my lip gloss is looking a little rough, but here's more lip gloss, and I use this a lot, and then extra screws. But speaking of screws, there are the ones we need to take out. I have it. We are ready to go. I think I just pop out these little guys. Would make sense. I am so scared of dropping one of these. Look at these. This tiny little screw. I'm so scared of dropping it and losing it. Oop. I almost just dropped the screw, and I also almost just impaled my seat with this, so. Jesus Christ. This has come off pretty easily after getting the screws off. Look at that! Wow, go me. Look, it has the original stickers and everything. Like, that's so freaking cool to me. I don't know, maybe I'm a nerd for that, but like, I think it's really sick. Success is mine. Now I just need to put all the bolts back in and install the carbon fiber one. Wait, can I hold both up? Look at it! Oh my God! Super cool. This is a little bit of a tighter squeeze, so it won't go fully up, but that's okay. Let's do this thing. So I had to put my hair up because it was getting really freaking hot, and also I was getting really freaking frustrated. For some reason, a lot of my screws won't thread. Like, it's spinning. No matter what angle I put the carbon fiber armrest in at, no matter what angle I put the screws at, I checked the tabs, whatever. The tabs on the Rennline stuff's different than the OEM Porsche tabs. So I was like, maybe that's it. It just seems like the holes are too big or not matching up or whatever. But you know what, for right now, it seems to be fine. I think there's like only 2 screws in it right now that would actually thread and stay if I lifted it and closed it and then lifted it again. Like 5 of them fell out. So I don't know if this is a me thing or what's going on, but yeah.